Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking and another installment of Soul Food Sunday. All summer long, I've been collaborating with Smoking and Grilling with AB, and we hope you have enjoyed our virtual potluck. Next Sunday will be the finale of our summer series, and as a thank you, I will be giving away an Instapot. In order to win, you have to be subscribed to this channel and to AB's channel, and also comment on next week's video. You don't want to miss your chance to win, so make sure you tune in next week. And don't forget, after watching my video, head on over to Smoking and Grilling with AB and see what he's cooking up for Soul Food Sunday. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Today, I'll be making candied yams. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 5 yams, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 1/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Using a knife or a mandolin and a cut-resistant glove, slice your yams. To a baking dish, add your water, then layer your yams, then set them aside until later. Using medium-low heat, bring a small pan to temperature. Now melt your butter. Now add your brown and white sugar and continue stirring until they just begin to dissolve. Now add the vanilla and spices and continue stirring until they are well incorporated. Continue mixing for approximately 2 minutes. Resist the temptation to increase your heat or your sugars may seize and you'll have to begin again. Carefully but quickly pour your mixture over your yams, then mix until it begins to thicken. Cover with foil, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, remove the yams from the oven, uncover, then mix to ensure they are evenly coated. Return the yams to the oven uncovered and allow them to cook for an additional 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove your yams from the oven and now they are ready to serve. If you want to make candied yams and not mashed sweet potatoes, then give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grab